My favorite mail time delivery. You might see some weird camera angles. Just pulls in. All right. Yep. Big box, huh? Here it is. It was heavy, even for my fat butt to get it. Yeah, it was actually shipped USPS, but FedEx handled the shipping. So if you work for FedEx, if you could please punch yourself right in the sack right now for being so slow. It's been opened. I have to check everything. Whew, I'm out of breath. So let me grab a knife and let's cut this open and see what we get. This is the, hopefully, intact Amiga 3000. Okay. Box in a box. All right, get my knife again. First off the bat, the Amax disc. Awesome, that's the one we're having problems finding online. And Amiga Workbench 1.2, so this might have a super kick start. We're gonna check into that. We do have the new ROMs. We also have a serial cable. Great job packing the keyboard and the MIDI digitizer. We're not going to unbox the keyboard just yet because I got to get to the heart of the beast here. We have a quick shot Amiga DB9. We have another, what is this model? Bass stick from Weed? What does that say? Wide command and control. Now that's something you don't see every day. Made in USA. Two joysticks here. I think, oops. It's actually stuck one I can't do. The digitizer, this is a roller ball. This is a little Epix? Is this the Epix? Yeah, this is the Epix joystick. It has the weirdo button down here for your thumb. Kind of cool. Trackball's gonna need a little cleaning. A weirdo mouse. Not the mouse I'm looking for, is this one. Here is the pregnant mouse. You can see why, because it's got the belly. Kind of like me, standing up right there. And another joystick. This is an Atari 2600 joystick. My cat eats this mouse. You will see a live cat burning on YouTube if he eats that wire. What is this? This is a big thing. I don't know what this is. Looks like it's a disc thing. Yeah, I didn't see this in the original pictures. What is this? OMS, CMS? Power on, off, power cord. It looks like it's an external hard drive. Maybe that's what that SCSI cable is for. Oh, it's heavy. Still digging. This is the MIDI thing. Here's out of that box. Here she is. The Amiga 3000, the dual floppy Amax2 with a working power button. we have the 3D print object files for that floppy disk. This one's going to be used for the Amax on the Macintosh side. And all the feet are intact. The screws are not the right screws, not the right screw. The back, this is the 3000 1 meg 2550 50 meg hard drive. Serial number, yeah, this was a 31 kilohertz, RGB 15, and this is the little switch to switch between the two. Audio left and right. This is your Amax card, which is off a little bit. Serial port, flop port. If you hear gross noise in the back, my cat is yakking up some fluid. It's always nice to have on your YouTube channel. Keyboard, joystick, and mouse ports. So I'm going to get this squared away in the basement where all my stuff is. And that is a quick unboxing for the 3000. Stay tuned for some upcoming videos on this thing. Thanks for watching.